Hey everyone, it's Emily with CabinetNow.com, and if you're in the market for cabinet doors for your next kitchen remodel, I have some of our favorite kitchen cabinet door styles that we have predicted to be the top trends of 2022. So let's get started. I will also be linking all of these styles below so that you can shop directly from our description. I'm going to start with the all-time favorite, the shaker cabinet door. This style has been around for ages and continues to be a timeless classic in home design. This shaker door is shown in maple natural and has 2 1/4 inch stiles and rails with a matching 5-piece or solid drawer front option. This shaker is 3/4 inches thick and features a straight OE1 outside edge profile. Next, let's take a look at the modern Shaker Slim thermofoil cabinet door in Sage. This door is my personal favorite. This shaker door style has significantly slimmer stiles and rails at 0.60 of an inch and is on an MDF core. The modern thermofoil Shaker Slim cabinet door comes in a very large variety of modern thermofoil material options and also has a matching drawer front. Next is our painted Revere cabinet door. This cabinet door style is 3/4 inches thick and features a raised center panel shown in the color Mindful Gray. This door has 2 1/4 inch stiles and rails with a detailed beveled outside edge of OE4. We also offer 7 additional Sherwin-Williams approximate paint colors on our site to ensure that you can bring your design dreams to life. This style also has a matching 5-piece and solid drawer front option. Next up is the modern thermofoil Turino cabinet door in Kona. This simplistic slab style is perfect for a modern flair, and the textured thermofoil detail is a popular favorite. This door features a 3/4 inch radius outside rounded edge detail and also comes in a variety of our modern thermofoil material options. The Turino pairs well with its matching drawer front and is a great option for those looking to create seamless walls of cabinetry. And lastly, we have our thermofoil Corpus Christi cabinet door in 949 white. This cabinet door has been on our best sellers list for quite some time due to its detailed routed panel and rounded edges. The Corpus Christi is 3/4 inches thick with 2 1/16 inch stiles and rails. This door is also available in all of our thermofoil material options and has a matching routed or solid drawer front pair. These are just a few alternatives to your traditional shaker cabinet door, and I hope that it has sparked some of your design inspiration here. If you have any questions, you can always chat us, call in, or leave a comment below. We're always happy to help. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more cabinetry trends. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us.